Did you know that I used this pixelLab to create this 12 by 5 feet banner with a phone? Just watch this video till the end and subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Change the size of the banner. The size of the banner was the width was 12 feet and the height was 5 feet, giving it a landscape sized banner. So what we're going to do, we are going to edit the background. We just choose our color and then we go to plain color. This was the color that was used. I used this color, and then after that I started blending the background color. So for you to get a blended background color, you just tap and then add shapes, and the shape we're going to use will be cycle. So in this cycle we are going to edit it. And how are we going to do? We reduce the opacity. This is the opacity. We just reduce it totally to 0%, and then we come to the stroke. We totally increase the stroke. After increasing the stroke, we go down and change the stroke color. This is the stroke color here. You just edit the color to be a lighter green. You come to this plus icon here and then you edit it to be a lighter green. So that is it. And then you reduce the size of the cycle so that the dots at the center will not be visible. So after that, you just scroll down to increase totally the blur radius. You increase the blur radius totally, and then you click on good. So we can now position this here. So when we position it, we just come to where we can edit the shape. We come here and then we choose the color. We come to opacity. And then we reduce the opacity a little bit. Can you see it? Let's use 54%. So after reducing it, when we fix one here, we copy another, we fix here. Let's fix another here, then we fix another here. So when we are done, we start importing the pictures and the write-up. So let's import the picture from gallery. We now come to the picture. First of all, we import the logo. This is the logo. We just import it and then we crop it. How do we crop it? There are other crop options. All these ones we are clicking here are what we call crop options, but we are not using these options. What we're going to do, we use this icon here, a cycle option. We just click on it. When we click on it, it's going to crop the circle parts. Can you see the circular parts, giving it a circumference? Then we click on good. So can you see it here? We reduce the size. After reducing the size, we position it to the center using the relative position. Can you see it? So we import the picture. Alright, so this is the picture. We reduce the size. Increase slightly, then we position it here. So after you are done positioning it here, you just lock every of your icon. You lock each of them and then you import the text. So after typing the text, you just reduce the size and then we change the font. We use a very good font. Using a very good font. We just position it and then we add stroke color to make it more visible. Alright, let's position this picture properly. We unlock it and then increase the size a little bit and position it. Alright, so we reduce the size of the text. Let's leave it 23. And then we import other texts. So we position it here, position it. So we just arrange the text, and then we reduce the size and position it here. Let's reduce the size of the text. We just reduce it a little bit, and then we position it here. So what we are going to do next now is that we are going to, let me just zoom in so you see, we are going to increase the space between the lines of the text so that it is going to be more visible. So how do we do it? We just come to the line spacing, we just click on the line spacing, and then we increase the line spacing. Can you see it? So we now zoom out. So after that, we just reduce the size of the text a little bit because it's a big banner. We just reduce the size, we come to the size, and then we reduce it small. Can you see it? Position it here. So we increase the size of the logo a little bit. Just increase the size a little bit, and then we position it here. And then let's import other text. We just copy this. From here, we just type all this text. So we just add the rectangular shape. We'll add it. Position one here. We reduce the size a little bit, unlike this place. You make sure the size is reduced, and then we can zoom if you want to zoom. So after zooming, just increase the radius slightly, and then we can zoom out a little bit. So we make a copy of this shape again, and then we position it here using our grid lines. Don't forget, our grid lines is used to measure the accuracy of the alignment of elements. So you just use it, you position one here, and then you position one here. So you just zoom out, and then we make another copy. Sorry, we now position it here. Can you see it now? So what we're going to do now, let's just move it slightly a little bit. Let's move this one, the same thing. Alright, so that is it. So we're going to add the text. So I'll paste the text here. So we now reduce the size of the text. We come to size and then we reduce it. Can you see it now? We reduce it to 10. Then make it 12. And then we position it here. We change the color to dark green so that it gives it a powerful contrast. Can you see it? Then let's zoom in to position it accurately. So after that, we just come to this style, we bolden it so it can be more visible. Let's still increase the size. Increase the size to 12 so it will be visible. Can you see that? And then we make a copy of it. We zoom out and we position the copy here. Then we do the same thing to the second side. we'll do the same thing. So we use our position tool to adjust the touches. Alright, so that was how the design was made. Let's paste this here. Then we type this. Right, so that was how the design was made. We just expand it. So let's reduce the size of the text. And then we position it center. Alright, so after that we now reduce the stroke a little bit. Let's reduce the stroke width, and then we italicize. That is, the text should be in a slanting position. We just come to align. No, sorry, we come to style, and then we italicize it here. So as you are done with this, we just add bullet points. The triangle shape, we just add it. Go to shape, and then we add the triangle shape. We color it to red. Alright, so we just rotate it, reduce the size, and then we position it. So let's increase the size a little bit. We just increase the size, and then we position it properly using the grid tool. We add another grid tool here. So when we just add it, we copy the triangle, and then we position it here. So that's how it was made. So we now zoom out, and then we export the work. We save it as image. This is a 12 by 5 feet banner. We just come to this custom here, and then we save it as ultra mode for printing. We just save it to gallery. So that was how the design was made. So let's check it. Alright, so this is it.